Let's talk some RC.
Yeah, what else you got? You got more stuff, haven't you?
I got more stuff.
Yeah, there you go.
You've got a box and I've got a box.
Oh, really?
And together, we have double boxes.
Where's my box?
Oh. What have we got here, Beige?
We've got TRX-4Ms. M for minuscule. Is it? Is that right? M for miniature.
Micro.
M for model.
Medium. I don't know.
M for meaty.
I think we're going to put that in a safety box.
M for mad.
Here you go. You can take the stabby.
Oh, what are we doing? We're chopping it.
We're going to do a synchronized. I'm going to punch this little car off the thing.
How come this tape's so big compared to your tape? Or is it the same?
Oh, I've got instructions. You know what I do with instructions, don't you?
Yeah, you put them in the bin.
Throw them straight in the bin. That's getting away. Well, actually, I don't. I'm responsible. I would recycle it.
Would you?
How'd they get away with doing polystyrene this day and age?
It must be polystyrene. I don't know. I didn't think polystyrene was a thing anymore.
Maybe it's just the EU thing.
Oh, surely they sell these in the EU, or do you think they have to use the egg?
This is what you get in the box, right? I'm on here. I have taken out of the box a Bronco, not the one I wanted. I wanted the Defender. That's no good.
Well, you want this one?
So here I have an 18th scale TRX-4M. This is a Bronco. So there's two styles available at the moment: a Ford Bronco, and in fact a Defender.
Full size radio.
Full size radio.
And a battery.
Full size battery.
Full size for this car, yes.
Yeah, full size for this
car. What else is there? There's a charger lead.
Oh. It's the BS USB. USB charger. Yeah. LiPo battery.
Yeah.
I can say LiPo, can't I? 2S LiPo battery.
Got a funky plug.
Funky?
Funky.
Well, it's because it's got a balance. Yeah? So it's got its inbuilt balance plug. Charger.
Yeah.
750 milliamps.
Yeah.
And I'm not an aficionado on this, but I'd say that you could probably play with it for 3 hours. Would that be right?
3 hours?
No, it's definitely not 3 hours.
That was just a number you plucked out of the air.
Yeah, that's right. I'd say 750 milliamps in this would give you a solid half an hour.
Right. You'd imagine so, wouldn't you?
Look, nice and neat. Battery, charger, all in one.
Where's the car?
So
let's have a close look at the car.
There you go. Do you want to go in your box?
Oh, my box?
Here you go.
So that's a black one.
That's
well, here's this one.
It doesn't even have body clips, does it?
It's got the clippy clips.
Does it have the clippy clips? I forget now. It's been so long since we've had these, I've forgotten how to take the body off, Paige.
Well, this is Land Rover. Land Rover? Yeah. What are you doing?
Desheathing it.
What? How did you do that? You just pulled really hard. Wow, so it's got clips front and back.
Pop clips.
Yeah.
Look at that. Not only the gloss, but the detail. So it's got the textures of the fiberglass roof.
Why do they make the roof out of fiberglass?
Well, I don't know. Probably because on spec models they have got glass and stuff that goes in there. Removable. Lower center of gravity. That's why they have them.
Well, these are clippy clips. So they don't have any body clips at all.
Yeah, no really awkward body clips. Really, really neat. Really good, competent crawler. Let's have a look at the chassoir.
Chassoir. I want to get in close.
Yeah, get tight like a toiger. Ooh. Look at that. We've got the 2-in-1 receiver speed controller unit.
Oh, I think the battery just plugs straight in there.
Yeah, straight in there. No switch. No switch, bro. This is where your battery goes in. Nice.
Is that rubbery?
Nice little rubbery flap.
Yeah.
We got the 180/80/17 fire breather.
Fire breather.
I don't think it's that, but it's not designed to be. And we've got the little squidgy squidge servo.
Squidgy squidge.
And look at this. There's no steering bell crank. It's a servo horn onto the Ackerman arm.
Why not? Why not?
It is a good thing.
How direct is it going to be? Very.
Very direct, isn't it? 4-wheel drive. It's got friction dampers with no friction, so just spring retainers, I dare say.
Right.
Really nice soft compound rubbery tires.
Yeah. Well, you want that to sort of just roll over rocks,
and
right?
It's got the full...
What do you call that suspension setup?
I'd call it 4-link tie rods. I don't know. I'd call it something.
Linkage.
And direct drive, constant drive, 4-wheel drive.
That's CVD in there.
Yep, CVD front and rear.
Hmm.
The one thing I have heard is that these little O-rings here,
Yeah.
that retains the pin.
Yes.
Where if you scratch that an undercarriage and the O-ring breaks, the little drive pin can fall out.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes it pays to just double check your O-ring all the time.
You put a bit of heat shrink over that.
Yeah, but it will scratch off eventually, you know,
Yes,
so because it does get rubbed. So if you do have one of these, there is metal parts upgrades and stuff, but I mean, it's not going to save that little O-ring.
Just don't rub it that hard.
That's right. It'd be gentle. Be a gentle rubber. No? But
do we get to see this yet?
Yeah, we'll get your one out.
Oh, do you want me to pull it out?
I've shown you mine. Now show me yours.
All right, I'm pulling it out.
You know how it works.
You're
always trying to bend the rules.
It's pretty delicate.
Oh, that's the other thing. They have LEDs.
These do?
It does have factory LEDs. Just whip it out, mate. Get in there. Which one would you choose?
I like the red one. I like a bit of colour.
I do like the Defender, yeah. I like the Defender. I'm a bit more. This could form some of that animation of our new series that we're about to launch.
I could.
Put in the horse before the cart. I'll put in the cart before the horse.
It looks good, doesn't it?
These are beautiful. So, Defenders and Broncos, TRX-4Ms now available.
Brum!
And these will not be played with any more than this. They're going to go straight in the glass cabinet. On display. Yeah? Make some noise. The radio, really nice TRAXXAS TQ radio. They use this on everything, don't they?
Everything.
2.4 gig. Not a bad little jigger. Super reliable, super robust is the main thing, isn't it?
Oh, they're proven. They've been using these for years.
All right. That's it for TRX-4Ms.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.